Let's see what happens inside a Moog repair center. Your product is received at the repair center and stored awaiting an upon-receipt inspection. Moog's skilled technicians repair thousands of servo valves every year. The initial evaluation of each servo valve is conducted on state-of-the-art test stands, specially designed for Moog's advanced products. The test stand measures functional parameters, including internal leakage under real operating conditions, and allows technicians to trace flow rates and performance curves by visualizing them on computer monitors. Once the incoming evaluation is completed, the technician defines the type of repair to be performed. Repair levels can range from a simple strip-down and replacement of O-ring and filters to a complete overhaul with new factory-produced parts. Internal components are disassembled for inspection and analysis, with technicians checking for possible corrosion and contamination. Then, the industrial ultrasonic cleaner is used to wash the precision components. After a thorough cleaning of the internal components, the technician completes the correct level of repair. The product is reassembled and it's ready for outgoing tests. Remember that only Moog can repair servo valves using factory-produced replacement parts to ensure as-new performance. With access to Moog's factory specifications and documentation, the repair center will also upgrade the product to the current version with the latest technology. All repaired products are tested according to Moog's factory-documented specifications. As part of every repair, Moog technicians use the test stands to ensure that all the critical parameters of the repaired servo valve meet the as-new specifications. Once all tests are completed, the repaired servo valve receives the Global Support Seal, confirming our commitment to the highest quality of service.